HealthBreak is brought to you by Providence.
Providence St. Joseph Medical Center in Polson is the first in Montana to offer a new type of shoulder replacement surgery. Dr. Matthew Anderson explains the procedure and the benefits.
The socket side of the shoulder, the glenoid, the system we use has an inlay glenoid component that is inset within that joint to alleviate one of the issues with total shoulder arthroplasty that is more commonly done, which is a rocking horse phenomenon that can lead to earlier joint failure.
This option is great for people who still want and need to live active lives.
We're working hard to make these cutting-edge shoulder replacements available to the population here, bringing something new to the community. It's a same-day procedure. You don't have to spend a night in the hospital. We've got all the best in the physical therapy afterwards, working to get you back to whatever it is you want to do as quick as possible. After people have completed the rehab process, there are no limitations with this shoulder replacement, so they can go back to weightlifting, high-intensity jobs such as construction, police work, pretty much anything they want to do.
To find out more, visit montana.providence.org.
HealthBreak is brought to you by Providence.